Okay, let's take a look at a new product from Ecoscape. They've mixed it up a little bit with this one. So this is 150mm wide former deck board, second generation capped product, very high end, very high spec. This is the new range. This is the Grande range. This is 225mm wide, or 9 inches, and there's several benefits to that. The surface finish is matte. The speed of installation is increased because it is in the region of 50% wider than the former. It's available in 2 colours, Chateau and Dovetail. All of the boards have both of the colours if you turn them over. That's plain to see. And it's available with, as all of the Ecoscape products are, all of the appropriate trims and clips and accessories. It's another very, very well considered full system. And I think this is going to be responsible for transforming some absolutely already magnificent gardens into something even more special than they already are.